Hey everybody, my name is Taylor Perry. I'm with Van Dyke Mortgage, and we have Matt Collins with the Matt C team. So we wanted to talk today about when you make an offer on a house, you want to make it competitive. You want to try and win the house. So you should waive the inspection, right?
Oh, wow. So we've really struggled a lot with that one this year. And I'm going as an agent, I'm going to tell you, no, don't ever waive inspections.
Why?
We don't know. You are getting ready to make the biggest purchase of your life.
True.
And if you waive inspections, you're literally walking into it with no idea. How is the roof? Is there a leak in the foundation? Do I have, is my electrical box all double tapped and is just running the risk of a fire? I do understand, as competitive as this market is, and sellers just have become accustomed to buyers making it easy of just give me your house, walk away, and I'll take it. But even in those events, I'm still not a fan of waiving inspections. Now, we can waive repairs, right? So inspections are for buyer's knowledge only is the phrase that we use, but at least as the buyer, we have to know what we're getting into. And so by just waiving inspections, it just makes me too nervous. It is such a big purchase. And to walk into it sight unseen is just absolutely, it just goes against my code.
So if you waive repairs, you do the inspection, you waive repairs, can you still walk away if the house is falling apart?
In Southwest Ohio, there is a spot in the contract where we can reserve the right that if we find certain things that are wrong, so foundation repairs, there are a couple other write-in areas that I always make sure that I include.
Okay.
So if the house is falling down, then we can still protect ourselves, right?
Okay.
But what it will do for the seller is it will prevent me from asking of adding in the GFCI outlets in the kitchen.
Yeah. Piddly stuff.
Little things.
Yeah.
But it's still, we're going to understand that from a home inspection.
Gotcha.
When we go into those, inspection for buyer's knowledge only or waiving repairs, what I generally like to say is that becomes the buyer's honey-do list, right? So now, based on order of importance, you know what needs to get done. And for a lot of clients, that's well within their wheelhouse, and they're comfortable taking that on.
Sure.
And so now the seller's completely fine with it because they don't have to make any repairs. They're not going to be asked for anything. So there is a happy medium there, but I try never to waive inspections.
Gotcha. Well, that is awesome. Thank you so much for explaining that.
Yeah.
If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.